two types of containers for paint production. We have a 4-liter container, which is this one. This is a 4-liter container. It's a small size container that is basically used for small surfaces, maybe like a little room. It's very small size. So this is a 4-liter container, and we also have a 20-liter container. 20-liter container. This is a 20-liter container. It's bigger than the 4-liter container. Basically, there are 4-liter container inside the 20-liter container. Basically. So when you decide to go into paint, you need to know these things. So your paint will either be coming in 20-liter bucket or drum, as it is usually called, or it will be coming in a 4-liter, which is this one.